Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market has been absolutely soaring in the last couple of days, while Bitcoin reaching $25,000. And in this video, I want to share with you whether this pump right now is really short-term pump, is a bear trap, and we're going to reverse, or are we on the way for $30,000 next? Are you need to get ready right now to pick up some altcoins on the move to even higher format? So my name is Vitaly Dubinin and welcome back to another episode of today's In Crypto Show. The crypto market is changing all the time, it's happening, and right now we're seeing absolutely amazing price action for the Bitcoin price of Bitcoin approaching $25,000. You can see it is actually higher right now than the highest point we have been in August 2022. We're gonna close this day this high, which essentially we are right now the highest point of 2023 right now, moving in a very good direction. And you can see right here by the Bitcoin halving cycles, we are on par of what has been the case for every single cycle. You can see the days since halving, and right now the red one, if you follow it along, we're similar to where we have been in the previous cycle around April 2019, where Bitcoin was trading at $5,300 and it rose subsequently to $14,000 and eventually going a little bit lower until finally breaking that and going into a much higher level. So can we be at the point right now where we go to $30,000? Let's discuss, because the S&P 500 is not really soaring today, and we do see recessions in the news everywhere, but Bitcoin completely ignoring all of that and it's just let's go up. You can see we are at the highest point of the day right now. A couple of things that I want to warn you right here on this video is that we do see a bearish divergence right here, which means that the prices are going higher. This is on a daily, but the RSI, which measures the relative strength index, is actually not as high. So you can see right here it's actually on a downtrend and on a significant lower point right here. So this what's called a textbook bearish divergence. So this could be a bear trap, although I do not see how Bitcoin is ever gonna go at lower points that it was right there at 15,500. Looking in the market structures, I've done countless of videos in November basically warning people that we are right now creating this double bottom scenario. Yes, we went a little bit lower, but this is a double bottom scenario I cover multiple times, and this is like a generational opportunity to not just buy Bitcoin but also some of the other altcoins that has been soaring since then. Now what we have seen, Bitcoin reached 24,000, then it went all the way to $21,600, and in the last couple of days it has been absolutely smashing it and soaring. Now what is the reason for such a drastic move? Well, one speculation why it is happening right now is because Paxos, which issues the BUSD stablecoin, is actually sued right now by the SEC that claims that BUSD is an unregistered security. Now, Paxos is categorically disagrees with that, and they're backed and always has been backed one-to-one with US dollar reserve. But right now, they stopped minting new BUSD tokens, and actually, if you look at the prices of the BUSD, it is right now sitting in a market cap of $14 billion, a far cry from where it has been just recently at like $30 billion. So right now, a lot of the funds are going out of the BUSD, it's going into the USDT, but possibly a lot of these billions of dollars are actually going into Bitcoin. Where else it will go? They have the stable coin BUSD, and you know what? Instead of holding BUSD, people prefer to just buy Bitcoin. And you can see right now Ethereum is soaring at $1,722. Absolutely phenomenal rise by Ethereum right now. And those people who are patient, they are waiting for this moment. So right now we might be breaking out, because if we close the day at the highest note like this, there is nothing really stopping us as a big possibility here to reach the next level of $29,000 to $30,000 level, which is a possibility in the first quarter, of this year, even in March, to reach a point of $30,000 for the price of Bitcoin. So this is one thing that might be a huge catalyst for why Bitcoin is soaring right now, is because all of this scenario with the BUSD, that people simply want to not hold the BUSD, and also don't want to hold the USDT as well. They simply want to buy Bitcoin, and that might be the reason why Bitcoin is soaring right now. Now, following CZ is talking about BUSD's is actually funds are safe, and he's talking about they're continuing to support BUSD, but the BUSD market cap will only decrease over time. And according to the SEC versus Paxos lawsuit, he is not really have a lot of information about it, but he agrees with this person right here that says, how can a stablecoin that is 1-to-1 to dollar considered a security when it clearly doesn't meet the Howey test criteria? No one has ever had the expectation of profit when buying BUSD, and that's true. But if BUSD is ruled as a security by the courts, it will have profound impacts on how the crypto industry will develop or not develop in the jurisdictions where it is ruled as such, implying, of course, on United States of America. So Binance will continue to support BUSD for the foreseeable future. We do foresee users migrating to other stablecoins over time, and we will make product adjustments accordingly. For example, move away from using BUSD as the main pair for trading. Okay, so yeah, that's what's happening now. What else we are seeing? We see cryptos are bubbling. We see Floki Inu is absolutely soaring. I mean, look at this. Look at this pump. That is amazing, amazing pump of about like 500% just from January to this month of February. Like looking at the monthly right now. Yeah, absolutely crazy pump for Floki Inu, and that is following this tweet from Elon Musk. The new CEO of Twitter is amazing, and his name is Floki Inu. So whenever Elon Musk tweets something like this, oh my gosh, there's 1.1 million likes. I mean, people go and rush to buy the meme coin. In this case, it was Floki, right? The name Floki, so it actually pumped pretty heavily here, 51% on the day pump. So congratulations, you've been actually making money on this pump. This is absolutely phenomenal right here. Also, Shiba Inu developer reveals first look of layer 2 blockchain Shibarium. So SHIB becomes now more of a more of a serious project here with its own layer 2 blockchain versus just a meme token. So this is quite interesting, and a lot has been into the development of this blockchain. So looking at where we are right now, looking at the prices of Bitcoin, I mean, we are right now at a very high point, and the question is, should you rush and should you buy right now and FOMOing into Bitcoin and buy as much as you can? Well, if you bought it right, here at 21,000 or better yet, if you've been buying it at $17,000 around this area, then yes, it's amazing to buy the low. But buying when after such a big pump for Bitcoin is quite risky, because after such pumps we do see also quite a big retracements as well. So I would not be rushing personally to buy Bitcoin, and we are yet to see how this day is gonna close, but it looks very, very bullish. I should say, if we're gonna close in 3 days the week like this with essentially a bullish candle like this, it's called a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, we might definitely go to $30,000 next for the price of Bitcoin, which will cause the other projects like there's Dogecoin, there is Doge Chain, which you might look at as the altcoin. Doge Chain has been pumping up 11% today. Generally the market is bullish when Bitcoin is going up like this. But Bitcoin goes down, all the altcoins are also nose diving with it. So we gotta see how are we going to create some consolidation here around the price of Bitcoin or not. So we're gonna see in the next following days, but it looks pretty good for the year of the year of 2023, right? We have 1 red year, 3 green years, 1 red year, 3 green years. So pretty much, this is where we are right now, and most likely that the year of 2023 is gonna be a green bullish year. So with that being said, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next episode of Today in Crypto.